In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to buy Dogecoin on Trust Wallet in 2023. So let's get straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up the Trust Wallet application on your device. And I do apologize if the screen goes blank. It's just that when you record your screen and you enter your passcode, it doesn't actually record this bit. So you can see now I'm logged into Trust Wallet. From the main screen here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner to these three lines, give that a press. And into the search box, you just want to go ahead and type Dogecoin into here. And you can see the options of Dogecoin that we got available. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one down here. So what you want to do is just click the toggle button next to it to turn that on, and then just press back. Next, if you scroll down from this screen on your different cryptocurrencies, you're going to see Dogecoin there. So just go ahead and give that a press. And all you want to do is just press the buy Dogecoin here. Now, all you need to do is just go ahead and enter the amount that you want to purchase. If you want to change your currency, come up to the top right and you can change the currency from here. So you will notice also that your third-party provider is Binance Connect for this one. Sometimes you can change this, but for this one, it's not letting me change it. However, Binance Connect are currently offering the best rate. So once that's done, click Next underneath at the bottom. And all you need to do now is choose how you want to pay for the Dogecoin. So you can see here it's set to credit and debit card, but you can press onto this and change the payment method that is offered. So once that's done, just go ahead and log in or sign up if you've not got an account with Binance Connect. And once you've signed up or logged in, you'll be able to go ahead and complete your order. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you wanted to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.